Here is how to lock apps on Samsung without any third-party apps. So let's get started. So we're going to do this using Secure Folder. And the first step is to enable Secure Folder. So open Settings. Then here, just search for Secure Folder. You'll find this option. So click on it. Select Secure Folder that's below. And here click on Continue. You'll have to give these permissions. So click on Continue. And now it's being created. So I'll quickly explain how it works. So a secure folder is a folder on your phone that requires a password to enter. And one interesting thing is that all the data inside the secure folder is completely separate from your normal phone. So you can have two versions of the same app, one inside the folder and one outside. So now the next step is to set a password to enter the folder. You can select any of these. And now click on Next. And this is our secure folder. So these are the default apps, and these are completely separate from the same apps on your phone. So if I open the gallery, you can see it's empty. So now to add apps that you want to lock, click on the plus button that's here. And here we have two options. We can download apps from the Play Store, or if you have the app on your phone, you can just select it from this list. So let's say I want to lock Instagram. I'll select it. Then here click on Add. And as you can see, Instagram has come here. And now if I open it, as you can see, we have no data in Instagram. So you'll have to log in again, and this will remain completely separate from Instagram on your phone. So this is essentially how it works. You can keep adding apps by clicking on the plus button. And every time to enter the secure folder, you'll have to put your PIN. So I'll quickly show you how it works. I've left the secure folder. And if I go to the app drawer, over here, you'll find an app called Secure Folder. Just click on it, and here you'll have to put your password, and once you put it, you'll see your apps. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.